Joanna Carmetilan.
And I am Andrea Justine Pietano.
I'm Dana Christine D. Concha. Hi, I'm Kizia Sugabo.
My name is Kirby Clyde Trillo.
And I am Faith Natalie Sugarol.
Hi, I'm Cristel Antudas.
And I am Brian Pauline Alvisa Cervillion.
Hey everyone! Today we are diving into something super interesting. A caricature that shows Philippine politics in a whole new light. You see this giant karaoke machine? Well, it's not just any karaoke, it's filled with political figures, singing different tunes, each representing a different agenda or interest. It's like a snapshot of our political landscape where everyone's vying for attention and interest.
So let's take a closer look at this caricature. Each politician here are surrounded by these lines, right? They're like fancy words that make everything sound nice, but underneath it all, they're just hiding the truth. It's like a big game of pretending everything's okay when it's not. The sugar-coated line symbolizes the deceptive rhetoric used by politicians to maintain power and control, masking their true intentions and actions.
Exactly. This caricature reveals the underlying chaos and disunity within our political system. Each politician is singing their own song, representing their own interests without any regard for the common good. It's like they are all competing for attention, and in the end, nothing really gets done. The lack of cohesion and collaboration among political factions only exacerbates the challenges we face as a nation.
Totally. And you know what's even crazier? Despite all the promises they make, things don't really change. It's like they're saying one thing but doing another. We need leaders who actually mean what they say and work together for the good of everyone. This caricature serves as a stark reminder of the urgent need for genuine leadership and collective action in reshaping our nation's future.
Exactly. But you know what? Despite all the chaos, there's still hope. We, the Filipino people, have the power to demand better from our leaders. We can come together, raise our voices, and hold our politicians accountable. It's time for real change. A change that prioritizes honesty, integrity, and the well-being of all Filipinos.
So, what's the takeaway from all this? Well, this caricature serves as a powerful commentary on the state of Philippines politics. Chaotic, messy, and sometimes downright confusing, but it also reminds us of our collective power to effect change. Let's demand transparency.
Listening to everyone's thoughts has been eye-opening. It's clear that we, as students, have a role to play in shaping the future of our country. By engaging in discussions like this and advocating for positive change, we can make a real difference in our society.
Absolutely. Let's take what we have learned today and use it as a fuel for action. Together, we can push for a political landscape that is transparent, accountable, and truly serves Filipino people. It won't be easy, but with the determination and unity, we can create a better tomorrow for all Filipinos.
Hello everyone! Today we're diving into a compelling drawing that sheds light on the ugly side of gender discrimination and misogyny. This artwork depicts a young woman playing pool amidst a group of men who are hurling insults and derogatory remarks at her. Let's unpack the layers of this illustration and explore its powerful message.
As we zoom in the scene, we see the young woman concentrating on her shot, displaying determination and skill. However, the atmosphere around her is hostile, with the man surrounding her, belittling her abilities and intelligence with their hurtful words. This stark contrast highlights the pervasive nature of misogyny and the unfair expectations placed on women in traditionally male-dominated spaces like sports.
Taking a closer closer look at the interaction between the young woman and the men, it becomes evident that their comments stem from deep-seated gender biases and societal expectations. By demeaning the young woman's abilities and questioning her competence, the men perpetuate harmful stereotypes and reinforce the notion that women are inferior to men in certain domains. This portrayal serves as a pregnant commentary on the insidious effect of misogyny in our society.
This drawing prompts us to reflect on the broader implications of gender-based discrimination and the impact it has on individual self-esteem and sense of belonging. By subjecting the young woman to ridicule and scorn, the men in the drawing perpetuate a toxic culture of misogyny that marginalizes and undermines women's achievements and aspirations. It's imperative that we challenge these harmful attitudes and strive for gender equality in all aspects of life.
Absolutely! The depiction of the young woman facing adversity in the pool hall serves as a call to action for us to confront and dismantle the systemic barriers that perpetuate gender inequality. We must create inclusive environments where women are empowered to pursue their passions and talents without fear of discrimination or harassment. It's time to challenge the status quo and advocate for a more equitable society for all.
Building on that point, it is crucial that we only recognize the resilience and strength of a woman in the face of adversity. Despite the hostility directed toward her, the young woman in the drawing remains focused and determined, challenging the stereotypes and expectations placed upon her. This serves as a reminder the importance of supporting and uplifting women in their pursuit of equality and justice.
In conclusion, this drawing serves as a stark reminder of the pervasive nature of misogyny and gender discrimination in our society. It calls upon us to challenge these harmful attitudes, support gender equality initiatives, and strive for a future where all individuals are treated with dignity and respect regardless of gender.
Let's commit to being allies in the fight against misogyny and gender-based discrimination. Together, we can create a world where everyone, regardless of gender, can thrive and succeed on their own terms. Let's stand together in solidarity and work towards a future where equality and justice prevail.